There is nothing more powerful and rewarding than transforming raw materials into finished products. With new technology, small-scale manufacturing has become available for regular people like you and me. Now you can create an incredible side hustle or business by building and selling your finished products out of your own garage or warehouse. The CNC ONE MAX system provides everything you need to get started. This easy-to-use system consists of 2 puzzle pieces, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But first, let me show you how easy it is to grow your own business with CNC ONE MAX. CNC ONE MAX has the capabilities and the size for serious milling. For instance, you can create a sign that sells for $30 or euros. Small wood crafts are extremely popular in online marketplaces like Etsy. This simple project here was done in less than 15 minutes, and you could make large quantities at once of it. You can also make a huge custom sign for other businesses. We highly recommend this as one of the easiest ways to make a quick profit on your investment. Every business needs an incredible sign to draw in customers. They can easily sell for thousands of dollars, and they are very popular, for example, at local bars and restaurants. But that is just the beginning. In our CNC ONE Academy, you will also find step-by-step guides for more complex projects, like a designer walnut chair. You can sell this chair for at least $1,000 or euros. And yes, this was made by CNC ONE MAX 100%. And the whole knowledge on how to do that is inside the CNC ONE Academy. Every step of it. The sourcing, the design process, the milling, the assembly, everything in detail. But we don't stop here. We want to enable our customers to make even larger projects. Exclusively in the CNC ONE Academy, you'll also find detailed instructions to build an entire custom kitchen, which can be worth double or triple the price of this machine. And by using the same techniques that you'll learn in the Academy, you could also design and build other amazing products. You could sell custom furniture, create interior for camper vans, cutting boards, everything you can imagine, you can make with CNC ONE. Max allows you to do the work that normally large factories could produce. All these ideas can be brought to life with CNC ONE MAX. Just think about the incredible value that you could be generating with this tool right here. At the beginning of the video, I told you that you need 2 key pieces to succeed: the Max machine and the knowledge to use it through the CNC ONE Academy. Our Academy is included with every CNC ONE MAX and covers in detail everything you need to get started. We also include numerous examples and detailed instructions on various designs, for example, the kitchen. But this is not the only design, of course. Think of it like an airplane. Owning a great aircraft is one thing, but without a pilot's license, you cannot fly the airplane. Similarly, the CNC ONE MAX is a very powerful machine, but without the design knowledge from our Academy, you won't be able to fully explore its potential. Our Academy gives you the skills you need to fly. This is our guarantee. We will give you the support to max out the true capabilities hidden in this treasure behind me. Our customers use Max to make and sell products on online marketplaces like Etsy, build their own brands, and integrate Max into their production lines. Some even create prototype parts or custom builds for other businesses. No matter how you structure your business, Max supports you through every pivot, redesign, and new idea as you grow. Remember, you can go far alone, but with a team, you can conquer the world. Max will be your super employee, and CNC ONE is your support. Now that you know what's possible, it's time to dream big. Put some thought into what business you would love to create. Click the button below this video to see the pricing and specifications on Max. Plus, we've also put together a series of other business ideas for more inspiration. Our team will contact you over the next few days to discuss your CNC business idea and give you our honest opinion on a path forward to making it a reality. Become a real manufacturer and start building your dream business today with CNC ONE MAX.